coming with the protein crisp, okay? I mean, can it get any easier? Check the ingredient list, okay? They'll have the ingredients on the side. Check that list and see if it fits into your diet. If it does, go with it. If it doesn't, put it back and get you something else. Come on now, help. Nah, I'm just kidding. That's what a friend of mine asked me. He said, hey, can you help me out, man? I'm looking for some ideas. You know, I'm heading to work. I need some quick protein ideas. You know, I can't really cook, don't have a kitchen, but I need to hit my protein goals. Can you help me out? Man, I got you covered. Check this out. This is some of my go-to options I would get if I was looking for quick, high protein options to help me hit my goals. Let me know if this works for you. Let me know what you would choose as well. And let's go shopping. Let's go. All right. So now when I need like a cheat code, I keep these in stock all the time. I can highly suggest you go buy you a few packs of these. Just keep them in stock for those days when you need something to eat at work or you need something to eat even at home, man. Check these out. All right. Go grab you some of these right here. These tuna creation. I mean, look how thin these things are. They are so easy to pack. All right. This is one of my favorite flavors right here, this buffalo. And the great thing about these tuna creations is that there's different flavors. There's like a Thai chili, there's a sriracha, there's all kinds of different flavors. My favorite, one of my favorites is the hot buffalo. Now, what I usually do, each one of these is 15 grams of protein. So I get 2 of them. I double up and just put, these are so simple, man. Just grab these, grab you a fork, and you can eat them straight out of the package like that. Or there's other ways you can do it. Let me show you what else to use. What I like to do as well is go get these right here. Now I keep these in stock, okay? These little tortillas right here, 0-carb tortillas. Even if you're not low carb, man, go get you some of these. These jokers are so soft, man. I keep them in stock, okay? I make tacos with them all the time. Like if I'm just cooking like some flank steak or even some ground beef and I don't know what I'm gonna have, man, I'll just cook that meat up, season it, and then grab a few of these, throw these on top of the meat to get the flavor in the tortilla, and you have your tacos real quick. I'm trying to tell you, these jokers are a cheat code, okay? They also have flavored ones, okay? These are just the regular ones. Now, what you can do is take you 2 of these and take these to work as well, or at home, make you some like tuna tacos, man. I'm trying to tell you, you might think it's crazy. Tuna tacos, try it out. Hot buffalo tuna tacos, let's go, all right? And what I like to do as well, when I mix this up, put it in these, I like to stick these in a microwave for a few seconds, not too long, but stick them in there, heat them up a little bit, man, it tastes so good. The great thing about these tortillas is that they're already soft and you don't need to heat them up. I mean, you can just eat them like that if you want to, but man, they are so versatile. You can use them on all kinds of different meals. I'm trying to tell you, check these out, keep these in stock. I use them all the time. I can highly recommend them. Like I said, even if you're not low carb, don't let that 0-carb fool you. These things are great, all right? I use them all the time. Let me show you another option. Now, if you don't want to go with the tortillas, go find you some crackers, okay? There's plenty of different crackers you can use. You can have just tuna and crackers for lunch. I mean, can't get any easier than that, right? Easy to pack, easy to eat. You're getting your protein. There's just no more excuses. That's what you have to do. You got to try to limit the excuses. I don't know what I'm going to eat at work. I got to go to the fast food place now because I didn't pack my food. Come on now, you can pack these. You can pack you a few of these. These simple meal crackers, man, these jokers are great. Have you tried these, man? You let me know in the comments because these will hold you down. Let's look at the nutrition on these. Okay, so 13 crackers, which is plenty, 140 calories. You got 6 grams of fat, looks like 19 grams of carbs and around 2 grams of protein, okay? So if your diet can fit these, go get you some crackers. But if not, I mean, they have low carb crackers. They have all kinds of different kind of crackers, different flavors, different ingredients that whatever fits your personal diet, okay? That's what you got to do. The only way to know is you got to check the ingredient list, okay? They'll have the ingredients on the side. Check that list and see if it fits into your diet. If it does, go with it. If it doesn't, put it back and get you something else. Come on now. You have to do the research and you have to see what fits into your personal diet. These are only suggestions, all right? So this is just one of the suggestions, but there's plenty of different ones. If you want some protein, man, look, hold on now. Speaking of protein, look at this. Palm crisp, coming with the protein crisp, okay? I mean, can it get any easier? I mean, you can take these to work, just keep them in the bag and take them to work with you, along with these right here. Bam. There you go, all right? I mean, it's so simple, all right? I'm trying to show you simple ways to do it. If you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. I'm trying to tell you, if you live like that, you're gonna see some changes, all right? No more excuses. We're not making any more excuses. We are staying ready, all right? So, man, go check these out right here if you want to, but there's plenty of different options. You don't have to go with these if you don't want to, but look around your local grocery store and see what it is, see the front, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna turn it around and you're gonna look at the back. And you're gonna make sure the ingredients, the calories, the fats, all the macros, the protein, or whatever it is, fits your personal diet. And if it does, put it in the cart, try it out. If it doesn't, put it back on the shelf and get something else, all right? It's that simple, okay? You need to choose what works for you. Don't let somebody tell you what to eat. Nobody can make you eat anything. You choose what works best for you and your diet. All right, how about that? Let's try that out, okay? All right, next up, what I want you to do is stop by like the protein section. Now, I don't suggest you drink protein shakes or protein bars or eat protein bars all day, but what I want you to do is go by the protein section and grab you what looks good to you. What's your favorite kind of protein shake? Now, let me show you one of my favorites. There's a few of them. There's a bunch of different ones you can choose from. Make sure you read the ingredients, read the protein amount, and see what fits in your personal diet. But this is one of my favorites right here. It tastes amazing. I've been having these lately. These right here, these Quest protein shakes, 45 grams of protein in this bottle right here. Let me tell you something. This right here tastes great. All right, I'm trying to tell you, go get you a cup of ice and pour this over the ice. Man, it tastes amazing. It's gonna knock out a sweet tooth. Plus you're gonna get your 45 grams of protein with the quickness. Now you can have this mid-morning or maybe mid-afternoon. I mean, it's a great snack. You can even have these for breakfast. Like if you're in a hurry and you're trying to get out the door, grab you one of these, grab some ice, or just put it in the fridge. Like at nighttime, put it in the fridge. So on your way to work in the morning, grab you one of these. You got your 45 grams of protein for breakfast, okay? And man, I'm trying to tell you, these things taste great. They have different flavors. This is one of my favorite right here. They got this one right here. Let me tell you something. These are amazing. Man, they taste great. And 45 grams of protein. It is so good. Okay. You can also put these in your coffee for a little bit of creamer now. Come on. Add a little bit of protein creamer in your coffee. Man, come on now. This one right here, strawberry. Come on now. Man, just try it. Okay. Go try it. Let me know in the comments if you like it. Okay. Because it is so good. Keep you a few of these in the fridge. They're going to hold you down. They're going to come in clutch whenever you need a quick meal or you need a quick snack. Or man, your sweet tooth's kicking in. Let's say at nighttime or something like that. Your sweet tooth's kicking in. Don't go for those sweets, man. Grab you one of these. It's gonna hold you down and you're gonna get your protein. Go try them, okay? Whatever flavor you want to get, man, just go with it, okay? All right, try these out. Keep them in stock. Let's go. Okay, one more option I can highly recommend you get. These are only optional, but one thing I like to keep with me going to work, taking the kids to school, at home, whatever. You can put them with sandwiches. You can put them with burgers. You can do whatever you want to do, or you can just have them by themselves. So these right here, Quest protein chips, all right? I'm a big fan of Quest protein chips. One bag is 19 grams of protein. You can't beat that. That is easy. And this flavor right here, this barbecue flavor, come on now. It tastes so good. If you can find a barbecue flavor, go check it out. But they also have like pizza. They have Cool Ranch. They have nacho. They got like a taco seasoning one. Man, it is like a cheat code. Go get you some of these Quest chips, man. These things taste amazing, all right? I keep these in stock for those quick, I need a grab and go. Need 19 grams of protein. I'll grab one of these and I'll grab me like a sparkling water or maybe like an A&W root beer or something like that. Man, I'm good to go. Snack time, you got your protein. It helps fill you up, all right? But yeah, you can find these anywhere. You can find them at Target, you can find them at Walmart. I'm here at Kroger. Kroger has them. So Quest chips, keep these in stock. Go try them out. What's your favorite flavor? Let me know in the comments. Look, you got to stay ready. All right. If you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. So there you go. There's some options I want you to take with you. If these are, you need to hit your protein goals, take these options with you. Take those tuna packets, take the Quest chips, take that Quest drink. All right. And now these are just, I highly suggest you get whole foods first. Always get whole foods first. Chicken, beef, get your veggies, broccoli, asparagus, stuff like that. Okay. Get those first. But in those times where you just don't have time to cook, you're like, man, I need something. It's either this or I might pull over and get me something I shouldn't be getting. Go with these options. That's what these options are for. That's what protein bars are for. That's what protein shakes are for. That's what these chips are for, okay? They're for those times that you can't get a whole food option at that moment. Replace them. Instead of getting something that could be worse, grab you some protein, man. Come on now, I'm trying to make it easy for you. Hopefully this helps you out. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you out. I'm really trying to provide some content to really help you hit your goals. I really want you to hit your goals. I know you can hit your goals. Now, what you do, just eat like this, and then, you want to see some changes, add in, let's say a 20 to 30 minute walk a couple times a week, and then go lift some weights, 2-3 times a week. You don't have to go to a gym. You can be at the house with some dumbbells. Come on now, or just some body weight squats or something, right? If you add stuff like that, add your steps, add working out with a healthy diet, you will see some changes. You're going to feel better. You're going to sleep better. Everything's going to get better around you. Come on now. I'm trying to tell you, you will see some changes, because remember, nothing changes if nothing changes. If you keep doing what you're doing right now, you're going to stay in the same position. All right. Now, if you start adding in healthier habits, you're going to see some changes. I'm trying to tell you. Let me know if this video helped you out, and I'm going to talk to y'all later. Let's go.